Have you ever wondered about the mysteries of the moon? That celestial body that lights up the night sky and influences our lives in more ways than you may know. Not just a pretty face, the moon plays a vital role in making Earth a livable planet. Our lunar companion moderates Earth's wobble on its axis, leading to a relatively stable climate. It also orchestrates the tides, creating a rhythm that has guided humans for thousands of years. The moon was named Luna by the Romans, a name we still use today in the term lunar. And as for size, the moon is less than a third of the width of Earth. If Earth were the size of a nickel, the moon would be about as big as a coffee bean. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember the crucial role our moon plays in our daily lives. But what do we truly know about the physical features of our moon? Well, the countless missions that have journeyed to the moon have found no evidence to suggest it has its own living organisms. It appears to be a barren, lifeless world, devoid of the hustle and bustle of Earth. However, don't let this fool you into thinking the moon is a dull place, quite the opposite. The discovery of water ice within shadowy craters at the lunar poles makes the moon a tantalizing prospect for future human colonization. Picture this. Human settlements nestled within the moon's craters. The blackness of space overhead, Earth hanging in the sky. It's a captivating thought, isn't it? This icy discovery has breathed new life into our moon, transforming it from a seemingly desolate rock into a potential new home for humanity. Despite its barren landscape, the moon could potentially be a new frontier for human colonization. Ever wondered how far the moon is from us, or if it's stationary? The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, is an average of 238,855 miles away. That's enough space for 30 Earth-sized planets to fit snugly between us and our lunar companion. But the moon isn't just hanging in the sky, it's slowly inching away from us. Each year it drifts approximately 1.5 inches further from Earth. The moon also performs a cosmic ballet known as synchronous rotation. This graceful dance means the moon rotates on its axis at the same rate it revolves around Earth. As a result, we only ever see one face or hemisphere of the moon from our vantage point on Earth. The other side, often mistakenly called the dark side, is just less visible, not devoid of sunlight. So, while it may seem like the moon is a constant in our sky, it's actually slowly drifting away. But where did the moon come from? And what makes up its surface? The leading theory of the moon's origin is that a Mars-sized body collided with Earth about 4.5 billion years ago. The resulting debris from both Earth and the impactor accumulated to form our natural satellite. The newly formed moon was in a molten state, but within about 100 million years, most of the global magma ocean had crystallized. The less dense rocks floated upward, eventually forming the lunar crust. The moon's surface is a testament to its turbulent past. With an atmosphere too sparse to impede impacts, a steady rain of asteroids, meteoroids and comets strikes the surface, leaving numerous craters behind. A clear example is the Tycho crater, which is more than 52 miles wide. Contrary to our initial belief from the Apollo and lunar missions, the moon's surface is not dry, but harbors water ice. So while the moon may seem like a silent, unchanging presence in our night sky, its history is anything but quiet. So, what have we learned about our moon? Well, we've delved into how it governs our tides, stabilizes our climate, and has guided humans for millennia. We've explored its physical attributes, how it's less than a third of the Earth's width, and how it's the celestial equivalent of a coffee bean to our nickel-sized Earth. We've examined its movement and distance from us, its synchronous rotation, and how it's slowly drifting away from us. We've also touched on its origins, born out of a colossal cosmic collision, and its cratered, barren surface, a silent testament to the incessant barrage of space debris. The moon is more than just a celestial body. It's a guide, a stabilizer, a potential future home, and a constant reminder of our place in the cosmos. The next time you gaze up at the moon, remember the fascinating facts and mysteries that surround this celestial body.